about Jesus as according to John chapter 5 from verse 31 to verse 47. Where people say about Jesus. If I me wanna tell people about myself, then what me say, no what nothing. But you have somebody else where say things about me, and me know say all the way my talk say, what something. When him say, a true. Una send go ask John about me, and him talk truth. I don't say me want people to talk about me. Me only telling about this so God can save you now. John did come in like a one lamp where burn and give out light. And only did glad for the light for a little bit. But something else there will show who me be. And it was more than what John say about me. And there's something them when my father give me for do. The same one them when me I do now. And them show say and the father send me come. And the father said things about me too. Una never hear him voice yet. And una never see him. If you know how him look. None at all. And una not take in what him say about me in our heart. Cause una not trust in the one when send come. Una study and study God's word hard. Cause una think say that I go make una know how una can live forever. But the said word when una study talk about me. And una still now come to me so una can get for have real life. Me not look for get big up from people. But me know no. And una tan. Una not have no love for God in our heart. Me come cause my father send me come. And una turn una back upon me. But if somebody else when nobody no send ever come to no, una take them in. Or una fi believe in me when una love fi get big up from una one another. Or una fi believe in me when una not try fi make the one and Uncle God big una up. But no think say me go and point finger upon una and say una guilty when time una turn up in front of my father. No. And Moses going do it. The same one when you think say would help you. If you don't believe in Moses, you would believe in me. Cause I him did right bout. But since you no believe when him right say, then how you go and believe when me they tell you no? And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.